So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, from wherever you are watching us. So, today I want to take us through how I traded GBP USD yesterday. That was on the 21st of May 2026. So, as we all know, GBP USD is currently on a very bullish trend. So, we already, if you remember our last market, we are already on a market shift here, a market structure shift here. So currently on the market, so we are on a bullish trend. So I took a buy on GBP USD yesterday, and this was during the New York session, and price hits my targets on the New York before the New York section closes. Let's say around in the night. So this was my last low that came to break structure. This was a very badly protected low here. If we go back to 5 minutes, so we can see price have already mitigated this place. So this was the last low that came to break structure. So price updated this high again, this high right here again. Price updated it. So this was our very last low that came to break structure. So we're on 15 minutes. If we go down to our 5 minutes, you can see this was the last. Price already make a market shift for ourselves. So this was the last low that came to break structure. So you guys can see there was a break of structure here. So also here there was a break of structure. So we already have a market structure shift. That's why I might be market structure shift out. But there was a 15 minutes buy order block here on our 15 minutes. If you go to our 15 minutes, you can see the other block here. So price already generated liquidity around here, around this place, that 5 minutes low. So price already generated liquidity around there by touching it, moving back, touching it, moving back, touching it, moving back. So there was a lot of liquidity around here. So that was my confirmation for the buy. So immediately price took out that liquidity. I set my my trade right here. Set my trade right here on my 15 minutes buy order block, and immediately price mitigated our 15 minutes buy order block. You can see the huge candle here. So I wouldn't have taken this market if I did not see liquidity around here. Let's go to our 5 minutes. Let me show you our liquidity trap around there. So let me show you our liquidity trap around here. So we can see on our 5 minutes low right here, price was ranging around here, price was ranging around here, like I showed us the other time. So price was generating liquidity around here. First touch, second touch, third touch. So we already know that is liquidity gathering around here. So immediately price mitigated my 15 minutes buy order block. Then boom, just like 2 candles even gave us that big profit. So the reason for my entry is 15 minutes candle, 15 minutes buy order block. This was the candle that went to sweep liquidity before moving up. So I marked out this candle, and that was my point of entry, and my stop loss a little bit below that candle. My take profit, the reason for my take profit is because there was another block here. On our 15 minutes time frame. There was another block here, a very valid other block. So that was why I targeted this right here, and boom, price gave us 1:3 before retracing back. So there's a lot of liquidity around here too. Initially price was supposed to break through, but we already have a market structure shift on our 5 minute time frame. So that's why this price is retracing from here. I was supposed to target something like this. But you know the rules. When you trade from a demand zone, trade to the next supply zone. So that's it, guys. So thank you for listening to us.